All right, welcome to Midway. There's a few different airports I usually take. Midway is kind of like the smaller one compared to O'Hare. O'Hare is the pretty big, busy one. They're competing with Atlanta, where actually I'm headed, for the busiest airport in the world. I'm not sure which one it is now. It might be Atlanta again. All right, but here's the inside. I'm headed to Georgia. Sorry about the confusion for the last video. That was actually with me, Richie, and Arnie. We went to the pool. That was like a week or two before I left back home, the last time I was in Philippines. Well, anyway, guys, I'm going to visit my cousins in Georgia who actually lived in my house, that where I live now. They moved out around first grade, at least my when I was in first grade. They moved down to Georgia.
Rosie I can pick up.
Which one's Rosie?
The one in the back over here.
That one's Rosie? Hey, Rosie.
The one that's coming
And that big red one sometimes I can pick it up.
Hey. They're pretty good looking chickens. How many you got all together?
5, and then there's 5 babies inside.
All right, guys, welcome to my cousins. I'm about to go check to see if there's any eggs in the chicken coop over there. This is where I'm going to be staying for the next few nights. We got a pond down there. We might go fishing later. All right, here we are. Cool little area for the chickens. Alright, there's 3. Decent size. 1, 2. And there's 1 more here. Alright, probably eat this for breakfast tomorrow. KFC. Water going through it? Sorry, I don't have any food. Man. Oh, man. here's a few pictures of my cousins. That's me in the middle. That's the two cousins that I'm staying with right now, and they actually lived in the house that I live in now until they moved to Georgia. There's my brother on the left, me right there, my two cousins, my uncle, my other cousin. This is just a few pictures of us hiking. That's me in the shirt. Good morning, guys. So we're just gonna fish a little bit. This is my last day here. Tomorrow, going back to the airport.
A rock slide?
Yeah.
Why don't we
Why
go?
can't I drive?
You drive up to the trash can.
And I can drive back.
I'm gonna jug of water. They got minnows in them.
All right, we're in Atlanta, Georgia, saying goodbye. It's a short trip, but it was nice seeing the family. I didn't make a whole lot of videos, but at least I got to say goodbye before I left. All right, so this is where I'm gonna say goodbye. I made it to the gate. I still have a little bit of time, so I think I'm just gonna spend a little time here and edit this video. We really didn't make many videos in Georgia. It was a short trip. I just want to make sure I said bye to them. They used to live in the house that I live in now. They moved when I was around first grade, and then the cousin the same age, he was in the same class as me, and another cousin a couple years older, and then a few others as well. So it was nice seeing everybody. And then they each have their families now, so it was nice catching up a little bit. But I think from here, I'm just gonna sit and edit, and then yeah, I'll be back in Michigan for only like a week, and then heading off to Philippines. So I'm really excited to get back there. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I guess we'll see you guys next time.